Hi ChainLink fans, welcome back for another ChainLink technical analysis episode. I'm Rocky Outcrop. Let's just dive on into the charts. So here we are in the charts. Happy St David's Day to everybody, by the way. That's the patron saint of Wales, which I think is always a bit funny. Of course, maybe you're more interested in October 28th for St Jude's Day, who is the patron saint of St Jude is patron saint of lost causes. No, is that? Yeah, lost causes and lost causes. So yes, so maybe that's what we're actually more interested in. I don't know. Is this a lost cause? I wouldn't have said so quite yet, but definitely not. But we have not managed to actually establish ourselves above this 236 again. So currently this is still an active, valid Fibonacci retracement from these highs up here, down here, and we're not actually establishing ourselves back up above there. So is it a lost cause? Well, we'll wait and see, but we're looking to try and get opens and closes of at least 4 hours and more. Actually, the 24-hour chart really is what we're looking at here. As you can see, the 4-hour has not been a reliable time frame for this. The 12-hour also not quite. So we're looking for 24 hours opens and closes up above that $4.10 mark, so that we can really try and establish ourselves back on the upside. Otherwise, of course, we're looking down to these other targets at 370 and 360 and the like. And of course, we could even go down as far as $3.20 again to that 50% retracement level. If we did do that, then we'd have potentially, could be, depending on how things pan out, of course, we could have a lower high here, as this is lower than this area, and we could also go down and potentially, if we closed anywhere below 247, 250, if we close below 350, sorry, then we're looking at having a lower low as well, in which case you could potentially be looking at some sort of broadening wedge pattern here, which could be a continuation pattern to the upside. But then again, it could also just be us having a downward channel, which could keep on going. We'd have to assess things as it happens at that time. You can see in the VPVR that really, though, this level here for the $3.25, you don't want to be going below that, because look at how there's just no trading activity there, and that could easily see the prices dropping all the way down to $2.80. So I would say that if we open and close a 4-hour candle below $3.25, then you're looking down to $2.80 then thereafter. So there you go, Sunday supplement. Nice, neat, quick, short, snappy video. Thanks very much for tuning in, and let's just catch up again in the next one. Now, actually, just before I leave off, I suppose you could say that the stochastics are perhaps trying to twist around themselves. I'm always clicking in the wrong place here when I try and expand it. They're perhaps trying to twist around the chairs to the upside, which is a good thing, you know, despite the fact that we've had a bit of bearish price action there. We're here in the middle area of this, just overall in the neutral area really, but leaning towards the upside. Perhaps this will tick around. You can see it just changed actually. You might not notice, it might just changed there slightly on the charts. We want to see this have an upward angle as opposed to a downward angle, but that's kind of looking down at the micro. And in terms of the small time frames and what we're looking at here, well, do we have anything particularly of note? Nothing really particularly standing out of note here. Perhaps there is some sort of divergences. No, there's nothing particularly jumping out here, right? Okay, let's just try and just focus on the simple, keep it nice and simple. We're looking at that $4.11 line. If we don't get above there, and if we actually start opening and closing candles down here below $3.90, I would be looking down to the $3.70 level, and then down here again to $3.60, and then being very wary of how things open and close in the lower $3 areas. But that's all getting ahead of ourselves. Let's just see how things pan out over the next wee while in and around this area, which is kind of important for the longer term, the more than just today term. So thanks very much for tuning in. I'll see you next time.